How to retire without a 401k. On the stock market, stock represents ownership in a company. Usually this ownership is partial. The exception is when the company has only one owner, in which case he or she has absolute control over the company. Sometimes, though, it becomes necessary for the owner of a company to share ownership with others in order to attract capital. Once new capital is infused into the company, the enterprise can take to new heights, perhaps buying new and more competitive machinery, giving free training to its employees, acquiring new headquarters in a better located area, and simply participating in larger and more expensive ventures. In other words, selling shares can bring growth. Obviously, selling stock also means the owner will relinquish at least some control over the company, control which is not guaranteed to be regained. In option trading, many investors choose to do buy-write transactions. They start by buying or owning some stock, then follow this with writing call options against the same. In essence, they assume a long position on the stock and a short on the option. Sometimes an investor can buy back his options. This happens especially when he or she doesn't want to let go of the underlying stock. A situation when this can happen could be sometime pretty close to an ex-dividend date, for instance when the option writer preempts an early exercise. After buying back his options, he can write new ones benefiting from new improved time premium. This is called option rolling.